I will destroy all of you. What? You people should update us. What is going on? 1 week to Akotia by election. Bute. Unem dia Bute catcher me. Me donya me catcher dia Bute catcher me. Bute catcher me Alaji. Acting national chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Or say Alaji, I don't know anything about Akotia by election.
Oh, NS Yakumi.
Now me catcher me say, Adai, one Fred General Secretary. No catcher me say, well, Fred General Secretary for the past 5 days today. Or Fred General Secretary Mfa.
And to more
me say, this is what the first vice chairman said. That on Fred General Secretary 5 times. Let me phone Fred General Secretary. Let me say, General Secretary, yes. The acting national chairman, Bute said he called you 5 times, you didn't pick. What is the problem? Me, we are one kura. Ohonom no, General Secretary me baha na afonyo market ho. Na afonyo market hwe me say na afonyo market say, hey Alaji, o say na kra. Wo opposition no dia wo di no pa. This is what afonyo market told me. I swear to God. Afonyo market say Alaji, maya dawo. Opposition no dia to whole national executive. Wo na wo di opposition ye pa, wo di opposition no pa. Let me be sharp, Bute. What Bute say? He don't know anything. Skabia no ho ba no. Let me say necessary I go by election ni sign. Na poto. Me sa frɛ Nanabi. Your security system no. Say security nipa sign na dey be call. The national organizer couldn't tell me how many securities are we sending them as a personal security yedo omuko Akotia. Or see, omudi asemno security bibia adima herikote. Na me say na me kura me kuntakwa ama me kuntakwa platform no ama mini Nanabi kura ema exchange of words. Na me catch and say Nanabi why? Headquarter is a national officer. And that you go Akotia by election day no. Bisa say headquarter wasi ho. Azoka ba basa say kami born to form no. Headquarter mo obu wan. But almost headquarter na manage security. Ya be feel omu ka ko Akotia. So we went to Akotia naked. Say anka mukumi Alhaji Masoud Akotia anka mi family anka dagomba fu aboka anka national officers no kura because tamale don be ma yi mi ma mi tamale mi ma mi hu video no mi ma mi su isa say adan tonka omukun mi ma mi say mi no obi awi asiwe Alhaji wu na mi wo o papa wu nyanda adan mi ma mi up to date so anka me wo Akotia dogomfo na be ya ye anka national officers no bi kura when na be fa na cruiser ba tamale kura atata mawu me see we went to Akotia that winning me catch Bute wo na Bute catch me say see wa fra general secretary no wa hu general secretary wo ko Akotia. So let me say okay me so me but
so you didn't even go there as a group we kwa
me see tie Bute do quote Akotia. No catch me say, let me catch and say me back. No, or say okay. No, me send me location, hotel or more. Or send me location. Me feel Accra. Cause I'm a sama no. That Bute friend me say, while you are feeling pabwa, never be uncle di beba because I better hold 3-4 days. Ne yere Eddie Baso Ada, me try no baby a me wono. Na ne yere no fa nema no mbrame. Na me from Breno awa Akotia. Na me train more than 2 hours. Na ne yiri ne di ne never ba na me di pu mi car mo. Mi Land Cruiser mo. E duru mbe mi ba e kwa na me twom kwa Akotia sa o mo duru Akotia no. O si wo duru Akotia wa Fred General Secretary no Jones General Secretary fa. So ono wanya dan kura national chairman nya dan hotel dan awa Akotia hotel sunu nyina ye ma when the high hotel no na ye ma no national chairman kasant me nya hotel by the party e bi san say na udahin no ka kire me say order adeso na national chairman of the acting national chairman only treasure me call no mumenu da me call no no say o manya dan back woman
I
want there so before me call edu akotia na me ko hun piece no na ba no mo say dan kura o maji unim me buy na me say na treasure say see when na be han dan man ya no your boys na dia no so onim me na me yi me sika han me dan that day no die akire me buy me ba akotia me ntimi ko adasu no na akotia wa yaso operation who operation no dia operation o mo ya dia operation o won so I say won kasa ya wow operation towards going to the election unim adia san here no na me ni dan kura baby am be da wo akotia me kotina peace no hall 12:30 anajo ekobo 1 na peace no buy that is the following day to election peace no buy say me ti akunja no na peace say alaji adan am che to me ni dan o fra treasure say onihwi o fra first vice say oni dan treasure ka tusu obia na bi online organizer una ka obema obia dan organizer o ma dan peace no asumadu anajo no na asumadu ma o mo be pepa dan bi o si fie no obia ni fie no o mo pepa obia ni dan no dan baby ayeye internal coalition no sa dan ho dan bi wo ho asumadu ma o mo pepa dan no anajo no no mo the student mattress ebra mine Aziz Futa no mo the student mattress bakuma Aziz Futa no mo the student mattress bakuma me no mo to na me da me ga yakura me tina sa ejuni sa ma dia chinye pato adie chinye na me say dia election na koyi so eswara anapano na bute me fira bute ba only treasure nyana say treasure na say fuel kura ana say man profosika na say buy bano why they take care of us na hotel ni nyina yemma mba ya hwan mu yemma no why na rent sa hotels no na party national officers.
So there were hotel rooms available.
No.
When people for mpanifo bi na high.
Me see hotel almost akote hotel nyina yemma but mpanifo no mo da
ya gum
ba omo gum sisai na ya national officers me tie national coordinator me ni national third vice eba dan bia no ho this is amania yedi ko election we so masa say national chairman kura ka say onim de ekoso
entino mo nhihye any bia constituency no and I say candidate no ono so no nhihye na enya ade bi say mo ahye da hihye ma na hia obi aye na
obi nka kira wo say yes sorry ye wo unanimous nhihye bi ye hun say na
strategy bi amade kwa
bia no me wonim me general secretary emma me 10,000 ye be since ye be call away no ye no na call na 10,000 ba ku bi wo ma me 10 ye nyan call no di 10,000 bi bre me na me am ka cha general secretary wa wonim say me ntimi for 10,000 enko akotie say national officer me for 10,000 kokoye election ana me call no na me say wa wonim sa but me no general secretary but the way me need to we fine me ka bibia na me ka chazi say no yanko pay sika me see me sorry ye me fuel me sika me che wo ho me bibia me ye me amu na me kope me sika
o ko chase ka kakra ho
we are national officer want to be do bibia abraham cheska because enya even voters your party members no omoba no you have to give me call youth organizers beba be show we mu beba be show when you party suban so me be free her me the 50,000 na me di say me go to me sika obia no ma me sika 50,000 enu na me to me di car 2 na call enu na me to fuel edugu car so no enante pato na amania we nyina na ya say ye kokko win election ye be dan win election we abra ye so me no this time around me ntimi ngina emma nkrofo ehwe say nipa Onya ya wu dia ntakwankwa. Enya ntakwankwa na ye Alhaji Masaudu Ajima. Me, I am disciplined person. We are one. Bisa me. Study committee wo, neck wo, we are one. We can some neighbor against party no. Be tiaw because yen nyina ye ti honom no. Party na ema yen nyina ye bibi. Enya. Why na ye obi abra party ni ho. Party na ye ma kodia. E point no be see wo. Enya sa. Party no ema na bi ye na bi. Obeye this deputy CEO NSS no obeye board chairman our Bafal stocks. Dr. China party no na bibi Akufo-Addo appointing deputy this ambassador to China. Mikina honom no party no na nde party no na ema me Alhaji Masaudu. With that MPP I don't have any life. I don't have any life. So that is the reason why me di kuma na me ko akotia na me nam na azoka te me ba be ka samwe pasawe azoka nkasa nim se omo jami na me no azoka ntimi ni one bit oni ko awusu but